Hello, Amber. Let me get your piece up here. Okay. I'm glad you had a good time. I am very impressed by your illustration. I thought it was professional and you were putting it in your work. So I do think it's a good idea. I like this one the most. I got to tell you that the blue type with the watercolor background makes this hard to read. And if I was an art director, I wouldn't even read it. So consider instead two things. Either make the background white and use a light, or not light gray, but use a gray font. That'll go really well with this color palette. Um, Try it with black body copy. See if that makes it easier to read. Or just move the watercolor stuff to the corner so that it doesn't interfere with the type. You could leave it up here and then just pull whatever this bit is down so that it doesn't interfere with the type. But anyway, blue type is hard to read. You know, it works great for headlines, subheads, but when I'm getting in here trying to read your profile, it's giving me a headache. Plus, you've emphasized some bits, and those are in bold, so there's a lot of signals going on. There's flowers, there's the jumpy calligraphy, there's another subhead font, there's a whole different one. There's bold, there's serif, there are bullet points, there's watercolor, there's illustration, there's a lot going on. So my recommendation is to simplify whatever you can simplify. Because you're using illustration, don't use these flowery bullet points. Just go with the circle. Because your brain is doing something different. Like I never see these diamond bullet points ever. So you want to keep it simple so that the focus goes exactly where you want the viewer to look. Also a profile, I never read those. Keep it simple or consider taking it out entirely. If you wanted to introduce somebody to you, you do it with the cover letter, right? As an art director, I'm wondering why these are repeated because I already saw it here and it's over here. If you're looking for balance, consider doing two different types of flower bunches. If you can do this artwork, show off more. Same comments as before. You know, it's really hard to read. It's a little hard on the eyes. Think about your audience. Who is going to be the creative director? Who's going to be the boss? Is it going to be somebody your age with brand new fresh eyes? No. It's going to be somebody who has had years in the field, probably wears glasses. We might have a little trouble seeing the screen, so you want to keep it simple. I like that you took the drop shadow off. It looks so much more contemporary like that. This is really sweet. Again, cut down on the profile as much as possible. You can already see without that background this is harder. This is easier to read. However, the overall, so much purple is a little bit gloomy, so consider more white space. Anyway, all that said, I do really appreciate your creativity. This is unique. It's fun to look at. Just really need to concentrate on simplification and what it is you want the viewer to focus on. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, let me know. I will clear it up. Bye-bye.